Math.marble. Today we're doing fractions, multiplication, and division, and today we're going to be exploring the division side of this. So question 1, 3/8 divided by 5/12. Well, now how do we do this? We're used to doing addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but how do we do division? Well, what we do is we find the reciprocal. And we have to do this by our second number, which is the number we're dividing by. So, a reciprocal is the same as flipping these numbers to the other side. So 5/12, the reciprocal of 5/12 is 12 over 5. Now, this will be easier to understand if you use this thing called keep, switch, flip. Now, when we're changing this with a reciprocal, that means we have to change this into its opposite sign, which is multiplication. So I'm going to put a multiplication sign. So this is how it works. 3/8, we keep that. So I'm going to write 3/8. So division sign, we switch that into our multiplication sign. 5/12, we flip it into 12/5. So now what we do is we multiply this. So first of all, we're going to cancel out what we could. So 8 and 12, we have a common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And now we have to multiply. So equals, so 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 5 is 10. So this is our answer for this question and this question. So 3/8 divided by 5/12 equals 9/10. So let's move on to question 2. And yeah, question 2. 7/11 divided by 1 and 2/5. Well, now all we have to do is change our mixed number into our improper fraction so we could do our keep, switch, flip method. So first of all, I'm going to change the sign. So 5 times 1 is 5, and then 5 plus 2 is 7. So that means 7/5. So I'm going to write that down first. So keep, 7/11, we keep it, switch, multiplication sign, and then flip. So 7/5, we're going to flip that into 5/7. So now we're going to cancel out again. We can't do 11 and 5, so we're going to do 7 and 7. They're both the same number. Divide by 1, 7. Divide by 7, 1. So now all we have to do is multiply. 1 times 5, 5. 11 times 1, 11. 7/11 divided by 1 and 2/5 equals 5/11. Moving on to question 3. 2/4 divided by 9. Now all we have to do is we're going to change our mixed number into an improper fraction and change this into a fraction. So first of all, let's rewrite this. I'm going to put my equal sign. So 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. I'm going to write 18 over 7 for a division sign. And then 9 is the same as saying 9 over 1. So now we're going to do this again. We're going to change into multiplication problem. So we're going to do keep, switch, flip. So we're going to keep 18 over 7. We're going to rewrite this. We're going to switch our sign into a multiplication symbol. And we're going to flip this into 1 over 9. Now all we have to do is we have to cancel out. So 18 and 9. 18 can be divisible by 9, and 9 can be divisible by 9. So greatest common factor, you're going to divide it by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So now all we have to do is we multiply it. So 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 1 is 7. So that means 2 4/7 divided by 9 equals 2/7. So let's move on to question 4. And yeah. 2 1/12 divided by 2 2/9. Well, now we're working with two mixed numbers. So all we have to do is we have to change these into improper fractions. So I'm gonna write my equal sign. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 over 12. Division sign. And then 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 20 over 9. So now we're going to apply our keep, switch, flip method. So we're going to put another equal sign. We're going to keep 25 over 12. We're going to switch our sign into a multiplication symbol. And then we're going to flip this. So 9 over 20. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cancel out. So 12 and 9. A common factor of these two is 3. So I'm going to divide 12 by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now 25 and 20. So a common factor of these two is 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So now all we have to do is we have to multiply. So we're going to write another equal sign. 5 times 3 is 15, and 4 times 4 is 16. 15 over 16. So that means 2 1/12 divided by 2 2/9 equals 15 over 16. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Subscribe for more videos, share, and comment if you have any doubts. I'll see you in the next part 4. And yeah, bye!